This Asian massage is great for beard growth. I myself am a fan of this method. Really great. Step 1. Before the massage, it is better to lubricate your face with oil. I recommend olive oil, coconut oil and argan oil. Grease your beard well for massage. In this section, you will learn 7 basic massages for beard growth. Massage and massage therapy are old and very powerful methods and affect the body including beard and hair. So never forget the power of massage. Repeat this massage daily for better beard growth to get the best results. Perfect. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race. You can save the video and watch it whenever you need.